Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some shortcuts that are considered cheating in art, and these shortcuts are for digital art as we have a lot of tools while we're working with softwares as compared to traditional art. And these shortcuts are really helpful while you are working with a client and you don't really have much time in your hands and you want to deliver work real quickly. Then these shortcuts might help you in your process. So without any further ado, let's just jump right in. Okay guys, so the first one is tracing. Obviously now tracing is considered to be cheating and really bad in art, but it does help you in the process if you are using it with good intentions. And with good intentions I mean not to copy anybody's artwork. So as you guys can see right here, what I've done is I have used this model's picture as base and I'm drawing these lines over his face and these little circles over his eyes. This is just going to help me in creating the whole facial structure for the artwork, and it did help me and it did save me a lot of time. As you guys can see, it really helped me locating where the eyes are, where the nose is, where the lips are, and stuff like that. So that is really helpful and really time saving. Now the next one is for the backgrounds and using Gaussian blur for it. Now as you guys can see right here, I have this reference image. You can see the artist name on the screenshot. Now here, as you guys can see, I am actually creating this similar background. So what I'm basically doing, I'm not being really perfect with the tree, with the leaves, or even with the sky, and I'm making it really imperfect because at the end of the day I'm just going to add Gaussian blur to it and it's just going to make it the whole thing look perfect. So I don't really have to worry about each and every little detail because I'm going to be adding Gaussian blur to it, and this is just going to make it look a lot better. But yeah, you have to make sure that you're adding shadows and highlights in the correct positions. You don't really have to blend those because again, we are going to be adding Gaussian blur to it. Now yeah, that's how I created this background really quickly. It saved me a lot of time. Now the next one is to copy and paste elements from your old drawings. So as you guys can see right here, I actually took my time to create this magic wand thing in this artwork, and in my new artwork I actually copy pasted this specific element and actually merged it with everything that I have in my new artwork, and it actually looks really good. I also copy pasted this little piercing piece from one of my previous drawings, and I copied it from my previous drawing and pasted in the new artwork just to add more elements to my new artwork. And I didn't really have to work on it that hard because I already made those before. Now the next one is to copy and paste while you are drawing. So as you guys can see, I have this eye structure created right here, so I have selected it. I'm just gonna copy and paste it and make sure that I am also flipping it horizontally so that I can place it right on the other side just to kind of match and make sure that the eyes are similar to each other. Now you can use symmetry tool for that as well, but I like to use this technique. I'm also doing the same thing with the eyebrows and eyelashes just to make sure they are even on both of the sides, and that's what I do. So yeah, I like to do that. Now you can do the similar thing with any part of the face like the ears or anything that you think should look even on both the sides. You can use this technique. Now the next one is making your paper art or traditional art digital, or at least use those traditional arts to create a new digital artwork. Now you can actually go ahead and trace your traditional artwork because that is yours, or you can just go ahead and start painting over it, as you guys can see right here in the video, or this clip from one of my previous videos that I did, how to color your traditional art digitally. You can check that out. I will link it down in the description as well, or a card should appear on the screen. Now this is not really a shortcut, but a lot of people find it really uncomfortable drawing on a screen as compared to drawing on a paper. So if you are one of those, then you can always go ahead and create something on paper first and then just go ahead and trace over it or just color over it, and this is just gonna save you a lot of time. And that is it for today's mini video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday and Friday. Share this video with your friends, and other than that, I will see you guys the next time.